Hey everyone, if Microsoft Excel won't save your file in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you several proven solutions to fix the problem and save your work successfully. First, make sure your device has enough free storage space. Excel may fail to save files if your drive is full. Next, try saving the workbook with a different name. Yeah, sometimes the original file name or location may be causing the issue. Now try saving the file to a different folder or drive. Moving the file location can bypass permission or path problems. If too many applications are running, close unnecessary programs. So this frees up memory and system resources for Excel. Faulty add-ins can sometimes prevent Excel from saving files. Disabling them can help identify the problem. Try opening Excel in safe mode. Yeah, this starts Excel without extra add-ins or custom settings. Make sure you have permission to edit and save the file. Restricted access can prevent changes from being saved. If the issue continues, repair Microsoft Office from the control panel. Damaged Office files can cause save errors. Also make sure Excel is updated to the latest version. So updates often fix bugs related to file saving. Finally, restart your computer and try saving the file again. Yeah, this clears temporary glitches that may be causing the issue, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Excel files that won't save in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.